What is normalization? Normalization is a process used in database design to eliminate data redundancy and improve data integrity by organizing data in a structured and efficient manner. So in the previous example, you have seen there is a data redundancy, right? The repetition of data, the duplicacy of the data, right? And when you have a different set of tables maintaining, the required information, right? The right information, then we call it as a data integrity. So like organizing the data in a well-structured manner or in an efficient manner, it will bring data integrity. So what is normalization? It's like tidying up data in a database. It gets rid of repeated information to make data organized and efficient. It's used for relational databases with tables of rows and columns. So usually the normalization and denormalization that we're talking about is more, applicable to the relational databases where we have rows and columns. The data is organized in rows and columns. The goal is to prevent three kinds of issues like update problems, add or insert problems, and the delete problems, right? When we come up with the normalization, we are kind of resolving these three kind of major issues, right? So just now we have understood, like, theoretically, I told you, updating or deleting any record in the previous scenario in the denormalized state of the table is very difficult. Whereas in normalized state, it is very easy and very efficient. Update problems happen when changing data becomes confusing. Okay, so when the data is continuously changing, updating the data is kind of a problem. So hence this normalization is kind of going to help you that. Add problems occur when you try to put new data in and it's not clear where it goes, right? So delete problems happen when removing data causes confusion, right? So all these three are addressed in normalization. So in simple terms, normalization helps keep data neat, organized, and problem-free in a database.